Oh, Sarah, my eyes are so dry today. My head hurts and I feel so tired.
Oh dear, Daniel. Did you sleep well last night? Or did you work too late?
I slept okay, but before sleep, I was on my phone. And this morning, as soon as I opened my eyes, I checked my phone again. I was reading news, checking emails, and watching short videos.
Ah, I see. That is a very common habit. Let me check something on your phone. Can you open your settings?
Sure, why? What are you looking for?
Let's look at your screen time. S-C-R-E-E-N. Screen. T-I-M-E. Time. Screen time.
Ah, screen time. That means the total hours I spend looking at my phone screen every day, right?
Exactly. It is a very simple English phrase. Now, look at your number. What does it say for yesterday?
Oh my goodness. It says 7 hours and 40 minutes. Almost 8 hours in one day. That is terrible.
Do not feel bad, Daniel. Many adults have this problem. But we have a great English sentence you can use when you want to talk about this. Let's practice it together. My screen time is too high.
My screen time is too high. Wow, that is so true for me. Almost 8 hours. I'm spending more time with my phone than with real people.
Well, today is your lucky day. We are going to learn how to solve this problem. Today, we are talking about a big trend for young professionals, a digital detox.
Digital detox. Those are interesting words. I want to learn them and I want to save my brain.
Excellent! By the end of this episode, you will know exactly how to talk about your phone habits, and you will have 5 simple sentences you can use immediately. Let's start!
Okay, Sarah, let's look at the words first. Digital and detox. Can you explain them simply?
Of course! Digital means phones, computers, and the internet. So, your phone and social media are all digital.
Okay, digital is the online world. Got it. And what about detox? D-E-T-O-X. Detox.
Detox means taking a break from something unhealthy. It means you stop doing something for a while because it is not good for you.
Ah, so a digital detox means taking a break from my phone and social media to connect with the real world.
Spot on, Daniel. It means taking a break from the online world. You close the screen and connect with the physical world.
No phone for a whole weekend? That sounds very difficult. But I think my brain really needs it. Can I say, I need a digital detox this weekend?
That is a 10 out of 10 sentence. It is so natural. Let's say it again for our listeners. I need a digital detox this weekend.
Yes, I really do. But Sarah, how do people actually do this? If I don't touch my phone, my friends might think I died.
They won't think you died. You just need a plan. Let's talk about the first step. The first step is a very useful phrasal verb. Put away.
Put away? Does it mean to throw my phone in the trash?
No, don't throw it in the trash. To put away means to put something in its proper place, out of sight. For example, you put away your clothes in the closet. For your phone, you put it away in a drawer or in your bag so you cannot see it.
Ah, I see. If my phone is on the table during dinner, I always touch it. Even if it is silent, I look at the screen. It is a bad habit.
Exactly. If you see it, you will use it. So, here is our third useful sentence for daily life. I always put away my phone during dinner.
I always put away my phone during dinner. Yes, this is a very polite and professional habit. My family will be very happy if I do this.
They definitely will. Now, here is step 2. We need to talk about notifications. N-O-T-I-F-I-C-A-T-I-O-N-S. Notifications.
Oh, I hate notifications. They are the little red numbers on the apps or the ding sound when a new message arrives.
Yes, those sounds are designed to make you look at your screen. They steal your attention. So, if you want a digital detox, you must turn them off.
Turn off. That is the opposite of turn on. So I can say to my coworkers, please turn off your notifications.
Yes, that is perfect, especially during meetings. Please turn off your notifications. It helps everyone focus and saves so much time.
Excellent. I will use that sentence in our team meeting tomorrow. It sounds very professional.
Now let's talk about what happens when you put away your phone. What do you do with your time?
That is the scary part, Sarah. If I am not on my phone, what do I do? I feel like I will be very bored.
This is the best part of a digital detox. You find real life again. RELAX. Relax.
Real life. You mean the world outside the screen?
Exactly. Going for a walk in the park, reading a paper book, cooking a nice meal, or talking to a friend face to face. These are real life activities.
Walking in the park. I haven't done that without my phone in years. Usually I walk and look at my screen at the same time. It is actually dangerous.
It is very dangerous. You might walk into a tree. A digital detox helps you relax. RELAX. Relax.
Relax. It means to rest your body and your mind, to make the stress go away.
Yes. When you are constantly checking messages, your brain is always working. It cannot rest. But when you disconnect, you finally relax.
I love that. I want to tell my friends to do this with me. Can I say, let's enjoy real life today?
That is a beautiful sentence, Daniel. Let's enjoy real life today. It is simple, positive, and very natural. Anyone can understand it.
I feel very motivated now. This weekend, I'm going to try a digital detox for 24 hours. No phone, no computer, just real life.
I am so proud of you, Daniel. You can do it. And I promise, your brain will thank you on Monday. Time flies when we are learning together. Today, we talked about phone habits, and we learned 5 excellent practical sentences. Let's review them together.
I will start. Sentence 1. My screen time is too high. Sentence, I need a digital detox this weekend. Sentence, I always put away my phone during dinner.
And the last 2. Sentence 4. Please turn off your notifications. Sentence 5. Let's enjoy real life today.
These sentences are so useful. They are not just for English class. I can use them with my family and my coworkers every day.
That is always our goal. Simple English, powerful results. Now, here's the homework for our wonderful listeners.
What is your screen time today? Write the number in the comments.
Yes, just write the number. For example, my screen time is 5 hours. Or tell us one thing you do when you put away your phone. We love reading your comments.
Yes, please comment. It is the best way to practice your writing. And if you love this show, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel.
Thank you so much for listening today. Stay happy, stay healthy, and see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. Have a great phone-free weekend.
Bye-bye.